Getting up that solar. Hey.
You did it. So week of groceries. That's my dinner. Alright, moving on. We got, now we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 at least.
Okay, so we'll just put 5 in. We'll go at the very bottom and then go.
Yeah. Very bottom, very top.
I'm not going to go through the holes themselves. I'm going to go in between them.
Got it.
That way it's more structurally
solid. Metal to metal.
Yeah, but there's plenty.
Yeah, we got plenty. Well, what I was going to do is see, okay, so between the second and third, and then just every other one up until we get up to that wording, and then I'll just lay it down and figure out the next one.
Careful, there might be poop on that one. Cutting the rest?
I want to put these 3 up and get a panel actually attached to make sure.
Oh, that's cool. Go through the bottom, start the other hole.
Yeah. I just put a charger in front of the garage. I don't know if the battery on it's charged or not. Do you have a hex head? Screw.
What we have here is the rare species of muscular bus builder.
The rare species.
Hashtag not vegan.
We're doing dishes. Fun stuff.
Hey Ian, the goats like your trailer.
Jumping up and down from that yesterday.
Would it help you?
Sure.
All right, what I want to do is put the front corner in the middle of this piece of unit strip.
Oh, okay, I see.
Let it down on this end, Rich.
Hold on, is that? It needs to be in the middle.
Right there, yep, right there.
Seven more to go.
Excellent.
Dude, that thing ain't going nowhere.
Excellent.
Coming down.
And then
Hey, Peaches.
Got the whole crew. What we got going on? Looking good.
Hello. Now that we know they work, getting ready to throw them up on the back.
There's more.
Thanks, Alan.
I have a whole bunch
No
of them.
problem.
I buy them by
Do you have anything you'd like to say?
I'm very excited. My body is ready.
But no sun.
With no sun.
Actually, that's probably better.
Yeah, that's probably better.
It's probably for the best.
We are not solar powered.
Fancy.
We gotta take it for a drive to charge it.
Working on the bus, but it wouldn't be a bus build video. We
We're on
didn't
a
have
trip
to
to
go
Home
to Home
Depot.
Second
Depot.
trip to Home Depot.
I want that, I want that, I want that, I want that. Alright, if any of you guys are watching this video and you want to send us some money,
Send us some money.
we have PayPal, Venmo,
Spend all of our
and,
money at Home Depot.
and gold and silver too. We
My
accept
account number.
any form of currency.
Money transfer. Just wire it directly to my account.
What are the odds? Right. We run into somebody building a schoolie.
The third panel just went up. One more piece of Unistra over here. And the fourth panel will go up.
What you cooking, Hannah?
Hi.
Do you want burgers?
Yeah.
Do you want me to give it to you through the window?
Yeah. Well, no, because I'm upside down right now. Onions with beef steaks. The beef steak is fun. Banana.
Banana!
Window banana.
Is that a banana in your window or are you just happy to see it?
Both.
lunch break with Girly.
Good. We already have all the panels up, and now we're figuring out wiring and shit.
Hey, Girly. How's it going?
Ashes is jealous. Wants to be in the video.
Now,
Oh my gosh. Babe, look at this chicken. It eats great.
What?
Watch.
You know who else eats grapes? This guy.
now the loose one on this one should be the male. We'll go to the female with this one.
So. I can get it. Reach it.
No, you'll. What you thought?
Looks good. It looks nice.
My solar.
Now you get another chore of cleaning the solar panels.
Like how you say I. You know that I'm the one that's gonna do it.
Can you believe this guy carries all these weights on their bus? What do we have here?
Well, this is actually what goes. This goes on top of your bus.
Instead of that.
Yep.
Part where we're
Yep.
Perfect.
So the positive goes in here.
Where's the instructions? Where's the instructions?
Charge controller.
Schneider Electric charge controller.
Positive from the solar panels, negative from the solar panels, negative to the battery, and positive to the battery.
What else is in this box of goodness? Holy crap.
Isn't this basically the same thing that... So this is the main breaker for the solar going out.
And the unit here in the middle.
This is the charger inverter.
Warning, danger, electrical shock hazard.
The solar comes down through the roof and then into the charge controller, right?
Yep.
And the charge controller goes up into the
breaker panel.
and then over to the inverter charger.
And down to the batteries. Up to the inverter.
So these aren't the batteries that are staying, right?
Nope.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So, and you'll be replacing these with the Tesla batteries, right?
Ideally, yes.
And you ended up putting 5 and 3.
Yes, so 3 in series and 5 in parallel. So that'll give us 120 volts and a maximum of 50 amps.
Max. Did you make pizza in there? Smells like pizza.